Now we will look at the uses of need in few sentences. As a model, need is mostly used in negative and interrogative. In the affirmative, it stands as the require or in need of. So we are going to see the uses of need, which is used mostly in the negative or in the interrogative. That's what we are going to look at. Uses of need in different sentences. Uses of need. As a model, need is mostly used as a model. Need is mostly used. Need is mostly used in negative, and interrogative. Next, in the affirmative, in the affirmative, it stands. It stands as require, or in need of, in need of. Okay, let's look at the sentences now. First, I need to work harder. I need to work harder. I need to work harder. To work harder. Second sentence. Do you need to work so hard? Interrogative. Do you need, do you need, do you need to work so hard? Do you need to work so hard? To work so hard? The third sentence. It needs to be done with great care. It needs to be done with great care. It needs to be done, needs to be done, with great care. With great care. Next, you need not copy the whole book. You need not copy the whole book. You need not. You need not. You need not copy the whole book. The whole book. Now the next sentence, they didn't need to hurry. They did not. They didn't. They didn't need to hurry. Need to hurry. They didn't need to hurry. And finally, the last sentence we have here is, you need not go now. The work has been completed. You needn't. You needn't go now. You need not. Or you needn't. You needn't go now. You needn't go now. The work has been completed. The work has been completed. Okay. We are looking at the different uses of need. Okay. Now, in the first, as a model, need is mostly used in negative and in interrogative. Okay. You need not go now. The negative, and here you have in the interrogative. Okay. You need to work. Do you need to work so hard? Question mark. Do you need to work so hard? Okay. Now let's look at the sentences. I need to work. I need to work harder. Do you need to work so hard? Third, it needs to be done with great care. Next, you need not. You need not in the negative. Need not copy the whole book. Next, they didn't need to hurry. Finally, you needn't go now. The work has been completed. So we're looking at the uses of need in these 6 sentences.